Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalise and I teach people how to change their life by changing their thoughts. And today I've got another tarot for men for you. Right, so before I get started, a few things come through. A song come through for you, Summer Jam, so I'm going to sing for you now. This ain't nothing but a summer jam. That one, right, okay. But lots of really good stuff came through, so pull up a chair. We got completion. I'll show you by the way first before I read it out, and then we can see how it pertains to the reading as well, can't we? So we've got completion, victory, coming home to yourself, and that was a real sense and feeling of like, bit cliche, but finding yourself again, being more authentic, and then following your heart, which is something that I want to talk to you about, because I want to reframe that phrase to you in a more logical way that you men can understand, because following your heart isn't just about the way that you feel, because in our heart we have a mini brain. Scientists have found it. Check out Heart Math Institute, there's loads of science on this, but we have a collection of sensory neurites on our heart that are just the same as the neurons in the brain. They think, learn and remember for themselves. So if you ever have a choice between your head and between your heart, always go for your heart, because your heart can think and feel, whereas the brain only thinks. So bear that in mind. Then last shall I say, we've got embracing your inner feminine. So I really like that. No matter how small or large your inner feminine might be, you're embracing it. So, you know, whether it's 10%, 50%, who knows, might be a little bit camp. Let's have a look. Right, so I'm going to get straight on with your reading. So if you've never seen me do tarot before, I pull a few cards from Oracle, and I then move on to the tarot. That's your general energy, by the way. Then move on to the tarot. I get your headspace, what you're currently thinking about. Oh, hair stuck to my lip, sorry. Heart space, what you're currently feeling. Then I pull you on to the highest timeline, and I tell you what's coming up in the near future. So let's crack on. One of these first, please. General energy for men right now. The courageous, learn how to fucking read. What am I doing? The courageous peony. Wow, got there in the end. Multifaceted, unique nature, let yourself be seen. This is all about you men learning that, well, everyone actually, it's a common theme that's happening right now, but we are all unique. We don't need to try and be like anyone else, no matter how much we might admire a person or how much our ego says to us, that's what I've got to do. You're just learning now how to just be you and be like, yeah, it doesn't matter that we're not all the same, because I'm unique and I'm pretty fucking cool. Next up, uh-oh, two cards came out. I feel like I want to put them back. To be honest, it's not nice, this. To be fair, one's face down and one's face up. So the one that's face down, I'm just going to put it back under. It's slid under. I don't know what it is. And I'm just going to take the one that was facing up, because I only normally take one card anyway. So, oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Some kind of deceit going on in your life. It feels like I trusted the wrong person again. Yeah, it's not very nice. It's like, it's like same problem, different face, same problem. Oh man, I'm sorry. Not that I've done out. Don't shoot the messenger or anything. Right, gives a look. Woohoo! Did you see that pop out there? Right, so Lakshmi, the goddess of abundance. Ooh, What a goddess. I choose to feel abundant. Wealth is an inside job. Right, so this message has been pretty consistent lately as well, with lots of abundance coming in, and especially with the males, attracting lots more and reaching some financial goals or some sort of checkpoint financially. Next up, headspace. This is what you are currently thinking about. Let's get inside of those fucking minds. 2 cards, please, Spirit. Make me a clear channel. Oh. You'll have to wait for the next one to come out. So, I'm so dramatic, sorry. Da, 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 da. We've got the 2 of Pentacles. This is all about priorities. Sorry, my accent. Priorities. So this is all about your priorities, and it could be like, could be juggling 2 things, and it could be like, this could be related to that deceit, and it could be like, there was 2 and I went for a certain one and that one turned out to be deceitful. Like, damn, I made the wrong fucking decision. Silly boys. But then next we've got Chapow. We've got the Knight of Cups, and this knight is super romantic. He's got like really cute ideas, and he does super romantic things. So it's like you're thinking about how you can reprioritize your romantic life. Right, so Headspace, what you feeling? Dang. All right, so so there was 2 cards, and then I went to move one to pick it up, and there was a sneaky hidden one underneath it. Spirit's so sneaky. I only wanted 2 cards and it's giving me 3. So there was 2 cards, moved one, there's another hidden one underneath it. So we've got, let me pick them all up. We've got the 5 of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles, and the 6 of Wands. This is walking away from something, walking away from, so cups are all about love, and it could be like walking away from all of these stupid, shitty options that have fallen over, and they just literally don't give you anything, and it's like you turn it around and it's like, kaboom! There's 2 really great cups behind you, and a nice rose that you can pick up and give straight to this victorious person here. Victory, like it came up at the start. This is all about victory and being successful in what you're doing, and this is coming forwards really slowly. This is literally the slowest moving energy in the whole deck, so it could be coming forward with some sort of offer, and being victorious, but doing it really fucking slowly. That sneaky little knight hiding under the 6 of Wands. So now let's see what's coming up for you in the very near future. Make me a clear channel, please, Spirit. There's 2 cards there. Thought it might have been trying to trick me again, but we've got the World, so that is fabulous, darling. Ooh, very nice. So we've got the World. And we've got the Ace of Cups. This is a brand new beginning in love. And this could very well be, the vibes I'm getting from this is self-love. Really getting to that point, starting a new cycle of actually loving yourself, and not just saying it and not just affirming it to yourself and trying to force yourself to feel it because you think that that's what you know, that's where you want to be, and that's where you want to head towards, to loving yourself a little bit more and getting rid of those negative things like the self-hatred and the self-doubt and all those other things. And it's actually getting to the point where you're like, no, do you know what, I actually do love myself. So that is pretty nice energy. What I'll do is I will take one of these, see what energy you'll be in. So when you come into this self-love phase, you are going to be having the energy of Sarada Devi, the Divine Mother. Unconditional love exists within me. The presence of love is the absence of judgment. So stop judging yourself all the time, because that's how you're going to get into this energy. That's how you're going to begin to start really loving yourself. So I hope this message helped you today. If it resonates, make sure you give me a thumbs up and a little comment. And if anybody would like to buy a personal reading, you can do so at my website, which is heartspacehealing33.com. There will be a link down in the description box. So thanks very much for tuning in today, and namaste.